Dear Mother and Father, can you believe I'm in Rome, Italy? I couldn't imagine a more perfect place for spending my honeymoon than here. In this photo, we are in front of the Colosseum, and yes, we are wearing those sweaters Mom knitted for us. Finally, I was able to see in person this magnificent, imposing, beautiful and history-filled building. You two know very well that seeing these columns, doors and windows in person was my dream since I was a little child, and that's why I couldn't be more excited and happier. I even cried tears of pure joy. The only thing I didn't like about it is that I wish I was alive when this building was in perfect conditions and not in ruins, but this also makes it more interesting.